Good morning, everybody. This is K. Elizabeth Matthew, the host for today's podcast. And today we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Darshi Bakshi. So we have Dr. Bakshi with us today, who would brief us on what ICR truly stands for, that is International Conference on Resilience 2026. Ma'am, could you please mention about what makes this conference truly unique?
Thank you, Elizabeth. ICR is truly a movement for Navashri University because we are in the process in the world where resilience counts very important as an attribute for human adaptation for a better sustainable world. And we know today that world is facing climate change issues, health emergencies, digital disruption, social political shifts. So resilience has become the defining quality of a time. And here at Navashri University, we have believed in resilience not only today, but since a long time. And we have been strategically adapting to this concept through our different interdisciplinary projects and also trying to look at it from different challenges that we as a city, we as a country face. And this year, we are very proud to bring almost close to 340 contributing authors, 160 accepted abstracts, and participants from more than 10 countries. This includes researchers, academicians, practitioners, policymakers, students, and all are getting united to explore the diverse disciplines which can shape a stronger, smarter, and a more sustainable future.
Ma'am, that's absolutely unique. Ma'am, can you please brief us on the key themes that will be covered in this conference?
Yes, so essentially we have 5 sub-themes or the major themes which are covered in ICR. They are environmental resilience, economic resilience, societal resilience, urban and landscape resilience, and information and digital resilience. Essentially, with very specific, focus. So if I move to environmental resilience, it addresses climate change, water scarcity, biodiversity, sustainable energy, and many other such aspects. Economic resilience focuses on inclusive growth, public-private collaboration, community-led development. Societal resilience prioritizes mental health, trauma-informed care, community cohesion, and cultural preservation. Urban and landscape resilience focuses again on reimagining cities through resilient infrastructure, nature-based solutions, and human-centered designs. Digital resilience focuses on cybersecurity, ethics, data governance, and equitable digital access. So the focus here is that we are trying to, take up all the themes which are relevant in today's time, and also the fact that it's again an interdisciplinary platform where problems have to be solved, where people from different disciplines come together. It is not something where we can approach problems with only single discipline, and that's the main focus of ICR, and we are therefore laying it across these 5 sub-themes.
That's absolutely amazing, ma'am. And I hear this conference would be a hub for young researchers and students.
Yes, so actually there is a lot of excitement, for the young researchers, and we have some of the most exciting aspects of ICR 2026 is celebrating the energy, creativity, and insights of the young contributors. Their participation ensures that the conference is not just a platform for ideas, but also a laboratory of action. And adding to that, we will have some very eminent keynote speakers as well as plenary talks, which is going to be the center of attraction and also will be a platform for young researchers to come and interact with them.
It sounds like ICR 2026 is truly a global stage where knowledge meets action and ideas become impact.
True. So together, we aim to chart pathways that make a world sustainable and resilient, and a world where every challenge becomes a catalyst for progress.
Thank you, Dr. Bakshi. We are excited to see the conversations, collaborations, and innovations that will emerge from this conference.
Thank you so much, and we welcome everyone to come and attend ICR 2026 where resilience is reimagined. Thank you.